Hello and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to send pictures on TikTok DM. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then keep watching this video till the end and also subscribe to our channel because we upload videos like this on a regular basis, and also in order to not miss videos, make sure you turn on the notifications. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your TikTok app. Now from the home screen, if you tap on this inbox and open up the chat section, you can see that there is no option to send a photo or a video message. You can type in text, you can send emojis, you can send GIFs, but there is no option for a photo message or a video message. Now to send the photo or video message, you simply need to post a TikTok first. Now to do that, you can tap on this plus icon and tap on upload and select the picture that you want to send and tap on next. Now you will need to post this video. Tap on next and tap on post. After the post is complete, you can head over to your profile section and tap open the video or the photo that you want to send. From here you can tap on the three dots, and there you'll see on the top all of the friends that you can send the message. You can tap on this search icon to search your friends and simply tap on the person that you want to send it and tap on send. Now if you check the chat section, you can see that the photo message has been sent to the person. So that's how you can send pictures on TikTok DMs.